Alright, so I found out that rain is coming, so that means I better hurry. Because there is a lot to do. It's going to be hard to see now that I'm stepping out in the sun. But I got all this. Just a second, we're going to do it like this. Ah, yeah, there is some blue showing over there. Because that's where it'll be coming from. I got to get way in there. Still got to finish setting that up. But what I need to do too, if I can today, I need to wall the wasp. Hopefully they're still not here. Uh-oh, why is it doing that? Is that because of the... Okay, I'm assuming it's because of that watermelon, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to have to water everything. But the wasps that were here, they're not there now. So I can go ahead and move the tree with the other fruit trees. I'm going to leave those trees there because they seem to be doing great. The ones back here. I got to get in all these raised beds, pluck them. So much I got to do. And the ground is still saturated. All of these trees is where that one tree I'm going to try to move to is over here. Yeah, everything's already dry. I was going to water it, but if we get enough rain, then I don't need to, which will be extremely helpful. A lot of this I got to pluck because stuff is growing in here. It's just, yeah, I got to literally hand pluck. A lot of that is corn, but a lot of it is grass too. So I just got to get it fixed up. I got to finish this section. I won't have time today, but like I said, there's just so much that I got to do out here still. I still got to plant things. Some of it I planted, some of it made it, some of it didn't, because I didn't have the water hose at the time. And I'm going to let things grow probably to a certain size too, I'm noticing, before I plant them. And it's already the hot part of the year too, so it's going to have hard time to grow. So whatever should have been planted should have been planted, but I'm still going to try anyway because of all the rain we've been getting and things have been changing lately. Oh yeah, I have to water the greenhouses today though, regardless. There's all the stuff in there. Yeah, even these. All that rain knocked their nest down too. And of course they're still here. There's some I didn't notice till after I had filmed and showed y'all. There's some here on the back of that water, and the other nest is still there. Okay, so it looks like one is there and then the others have moved to the other one. Gosh, it's such a wreck and I gotta work on all this. I need to move that water hose now that I'm in here some. I'm pretty much going to probably just go ahead and use a weed eater because only a few areas I can use the lawnmower. When it got cut off, I couldn't say, but I was trying to say, because the video cuts off at 3 minutes or whatever on Instagram. Anyways, yeah, I got to weed eat, I think everything is what I'm going to do. Would be probably the best in here because everything's already such a tight squeeze. There's no sense in using my push mower. I've got to get in every raised bed, like I said, and pluck. And that's a perfect example. Like I just did that like not even 2 weeks ago and it's already, I'm like, really? But it's been raining, so I haven't been able to get out here and get everything straightened like I'm trying to do. But I'm going to get what I can get done today. And I don't know what that is, but we're going to find that out because like I said, some rain is coming, so I better hurry and get to it now. Are these huge things edible? Or is that more of a psychedelic? Oh my gosh, it's huge. I was gonna look up on Google and see if they can clearly... I wonder if the plant thing will identify it. I'm gonna try that out. But at least some of my olive tree came back. The rest didn't make it. But those sections did. Trying to rearrange out here and see if I can get the chicken coop done today. I still got more cutting to do, but I got a lot done so far. Thankfully it hasn't rained, it's just been around. I was wondering where I'd find them at today. And it is on my greenhouse. Okay, that's the red ones. Okay, so they must have moved over here. Or, yeah, there's one flying at me. Or not at me, but by me. Okay, so now I know. I just gotta remember that I got some there too. But yeah, the spider moved on and she left her egg. The garden spider, the one that was in there. She got huge too. Little man is gonna show us how he waters. Go ahead. There we go. That's my little helper. Thank you, baby. Okay, so the update on my twin flame sunflower. And real quick, the reason why I call it that is because of that. It is literally growing together. And its own individual, beautiful sunflowers. So, that's why I call it that. I just quickly kind of plucked what I could for right now because I got so much more to work on in this yard. But this is what this looks like for the moment. My little one's resting. I forgot to get up closer on these in the twin flame one. And it's pretty. I think they're zinnias or something like that. And this one fell over, so I just lifted it up real quick. It's in the same flower bed. My lavender moonflower on a trash can. Anyway, I gotta get those planted as soon as I can. Alright, so I went ahead and got most of this plucked out. There's just a little bit left in there, not too much. But I'm wondering if that water, how I'm seeing it, is like a rainbow look. Yeah, it kind of is. Cool. It's shiny. Ain't that pretty? But anyway, so yeah. Finally got that tended to. I gotta pluck this one, but I do have those over there done. And this, like, really took off too, this blackberry bush. Yes, little man. Go ahead, he wants to show everybody that he's watering. Thank you, baby. See if I can quickly, yeah, they're on the other side. The cardinal just came in to eat. I am still doing some planting right now, but I've got some more carrots planted, and then I am planting, let me see, where is it at? Yep, down here. I'm planting some more beets as well, so I'll show the end results if I remember. Oh, but I did want to show these too. A lot of those bolted, but it's alright. Yeah, that was pretty. Ooh, lovey love. I'm getting this watered now, but where's she at? There she is. Pretty garden spider. Alright, so we have a spider and a wasp friend. Let's see, there's our wasp friend rebuilding where I was hoping they weren't going to, but we're working together. Here she is leaving me alone. And the spider, that's a bouncy baby spider like I had in my room, which is a baby garden spider. Probably messing up her web on accident. I'm trying to clean out the, little man's helping me too right now. Yes. We're trying to get this tended. I got like too many like cucumbers in here that I gotta get, and I got too many in the house still. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but anyway, so I'm definitely overabundant on that. But yeah, so I moved my peach tree like I said over there. I got 4, I think, watermelons. There's a lot that's going on, but hopefully as I'm trying to get this cleaned out, I might have to leave it like that for right now because I'm definitely playing with fire. I'm trying my best to not pass out. It is like so hot today. Anywho's, so far this is an update of that. It's still going over there. And it's been still pretty, but I don't know what it's gonna do. But I did pluck all this as best as I could. And we're gonna move on to the next. I gotta get all that picked up too. I guess I better finish. I'm just too dizzy today. I have an 8 and it's just a lot. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to finish this another time, but I at least got some things plucked, and I gotta go cook in a little bit after I finish watering. See, like I said, they're more aware than what people think. This one is trying to climb up way up there, which is hard to tell, but yeah, it's got a good 5 or 8 feet to go, but it's trying to go up there. I guess we'll see what that one does. She says she is guarding that strawberry, however many pears, and I'm not counting. And the pit that my dad had got me is a little covered at the moment. Isn't it?